So welcome back to the garden in the middle of a heat wave. It's absolutely boiling hot today, and you may notice that there is something slightly different in the garden. And if you remember last time, I said that I wanted to remove the large bamboo fence that I had going along the bottom of the garden. So this is what it did look like last week, and I came home from work last night and decided enough was enough. I was going to get it gone. So it only took me about an hour, and then I was off work today. I have a day off today on a Thursday, and I decided get up early, beat the heat, out here by 6 o'clock and just finish the job. So I'll take you back now to early this morning and show you what I had to do first thing this morning. It's early morning on Thursday. I've got a day off and I wanted to come out now today and finish off some of the gardening jobs. So if you remember last week, I said that I wanted to take down a large fence that was at the bottom of the garden. Well, if we just walk down the garden, you'll notice straight away now that that fence has gone. So we are going to have a little bit of a heat wave today. So I'm up early, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've got to just tidy up down this area here and remove all of that that's in between the trees. So hopefully that won't take me long. And I want to get that done now while it's still quite cool. So if we look through where I've made a start, work is still carrying on with the neighbour's house behind, clearing that garden. And they have done all along the sides now, trimming back all of them trees. It's looking a lot clearer there. But time now for me to crack on and get rid of some of this mess here. So it's later on now in the day, and I've just given everything a really good watering. It was so dry. I haven't done it for a few days. So let me take you around and show you what I did this morning by finishing off the bottom end of the garden. So let's take a walk now down to the bottom of the garden. And you can really see now just how big these conifer trees are. Just look how wide those trunks are. Well, anyway, I've cleared now in between. And those thick stems there, they are the ivy. And that one over there looks like something from Stranger Things. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. But by clearing away, it's given me somewhere lovely and quiet just to pop the hedgehog box, and hopefully now that'll be used. It has been used in the past, but nothing last winter. So I've also got to find somewhere now to pop my sign, and I think I'll just pop that back on the tree there. So I need to replace that little bit of wood there. So behind the tiki bar has become a bit of a dumping ground again. So I've already been down to the tip today with 7 bags, and I've got another 7 bags here to take down now the weekend. But it won't be long now till this is back tidy again. As they say, you can't make an omelette without cracking a few eggs. So I'm really enjoying that now. I know there's still a little bit of sorting out to do there in the neighbour's garden, but it's looking a lot more open. So as I said, everything now has just had a really good watering. And it's doing okay. It's getting through. I know the plants don't really like tap water, but it's better than nothing at all. And I'm so lucky not to have a hose pipe ban here in South Wales at the moment. So I have had a little bit of a change around, and I've just placed the pittosporum there, and I think the lovely purple there just looks good next to the akuba as well. So that was on the other side, just over here, but I've just placed that reducia there, as I did get a lot of comments to say that the reducia is going to grow to be quite a large plant, and it needed a little bit more space. So I know this year has been extremely dry. I think it's been the driest summer that we've had, and we never go this long without any rain in South Wales. South Wales normally gets an abundance of rainfall. I'm trying my best now to keep on top of things and just to keep watering them every few days. And so far so good. So I've got some more flowers just due to come out on my canna. And just look at the colour there on Tony's plums behind. They are really turning a lovely colour purple now. Beautiful. And the only plant that doesn't seem to be doing so well is my passion flower. That is as dry as an old board. And I think that's definitely a goner. So the weekend now, Tony and myself are going to visit a garden centre, and we're thinking of maybe going up to Awenny, which is near Bridgend in South Wales. So I'll take you with us and we'll see what plants we come back with. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.